So here you go, live action with this little storm we got. This is the second wave of it coming. First wave was a pretty good one. This is even closer to land, so it's down by the Skyway. I'm up here, just got back on the island, and I'm gonna be heading down towards the crib in the direction that the storm is coming. Oh yeah. Waves are, it's high tide right now. The waves are way up on the seawalls all around the store, so I left. Yeah, you can, it's blowing this big truck around. Big time. I wouldn't advise me driving around in a tropical storm. I had to go get some fuel just in case. So now I'm heading back to the house. And the car wash, that used to be right here at my house, they closed it. So now, if I get high water and I go to the store, I need to go up to the next big bridge, get off and use that car wash before I can park my truck with salt water on it. Oh, great. I knew this was going to happen. So this is salt friggin' water out here. You can see that car going through it. That truck. Man, I knew it. See, this is unexpected again. This big water event. Nobody's got sandbags out. People are cruising through here. And if you've got a small house, I mean, people are putting water into the into your home. Real disrespectful for people to go fast through the water. I'm just taking the high point and going slow. There's guys behind me trying to make me go faster, but you know, I'm just not gonna do it. I wouldn't want water coming in my front door. This is great. So it looks like we got a car down. Yep, he's stuck. This is crazy out here. What happens is all the drains back up at a high tide and the water can't get out. Damn. Oh. Yeah, this means that all the roads to my house are going to be underwater. I'm on one of the roads to my house. They are underwater. What am I thinking? You can see the water over here. This guy had to go fast, you know? Now I gotta go home, get the hose out and the sprinkler. Wash the whole undercarriage of my truck for about an hour. Golly. I'm even afraid. I don't know what's gonna happen when I get home. No idea what's gonna be here. Now see, this island stays pretty dry out here. So my roads are all dry, but the last road, we're gonna be making a right-hand turn up here. I guarantee you, it's gonna be underwater again, getting to my house. So you guys north of me, hang on, because it's gonna be a wet one. Yep, it's already flooded up here at the corner. This might just be rainwater though. Yeah, it's just rainwater here. Good old rainwater. Oh yeah, but now look. Now you can see the water's crested over the road out here. And all the way in front of me. Let this Yahoo come through. So that's the road to my house, man. Underwater. Salt water. You know, and a lot of people don't even care. They drive their cars through this stuff and don't wash it off or anything. They have no clue. That's why I'm living on the edge, boys. Living on the edge. Hey, there's a current going across here. Look at that current taking that water across. Unreal. This is all salt water. It's about 1.5 feet deep out there. I imagine my dock's well underwater. Okay. No salt water on my road, so I mean fresh water, so I can't wash it off. I'll have to get the garden hose out. Hate that. All right, we'll get back with you after. I'll do a video out on the dock. See ya.